Hi guys. Well, we got a little project to work on here. Thought I'd give you a short video of this thing. This is a payloader bucket. Pretty good size. Anyway, the pins are wore out. Pinholes are wore out in there. So I thought I'd show you this as my setup. Mounted bearings on here. And this is my boring bar. You can see it's got holes. I think they're about every 4 inches. So the way I got this set up now, I'll be able to, we're working on this hole here first. And so we'll be able to bore this hole, and then without moving and changing everything, we can come over and set up and bore this hole. And then we'll move the cutter down here, bore this hole, and move the cutter over here and bore this hole out. Since I don't have a bore welder, I have to bore these holes out and then make bushings and weld the bushings back in there. And I'll have to do this one up here too, but it's not near as bad. But there's the pin. It's a 2 1/4 inch pin. So I'm gonna set this camera up on a tripod, and we're gonna bore a hole. And this is just a 3/4 horse mag drill with no magnet on it, but anyway, it powers my machine. And this is the power feed for it. As the drill is spinning, it runs some gears in here, and then it pulls everything in on this rack to feed the cutter in. Oh, and there is my cutter, and you can see the set screw here on top holds the cutter in. And I turn this, and you see that cutter there, that's the pusher or adjuster. So what you have to do is loosen this one up and then adjust with this one. Usually for this outfit, about 1/4 to 1/3 turn works good for me. Alright, so let me get this thing set up on a tripod, and we'll see if we can get you some pictures in there, videos in there. There's kind of a long view. Alright, okay, so we got the camera up on the tripod, and got everything oiled up good, and we're ready to make a cut. Let me see, there's our cutter. So here we go. done. Now we're getting to be about close to 2 3/4 inch hole there, and we are 2.5 inches deep, so it takes a little while to get bored through there. But anyway, that's what I'll have to continue to do. I want to go out to about 2 and I think 7/8, 2.875, 2 inches, 875 thousandths, and then because I have some 2 inch by 3 inch bushing stock here, which I can turn down a little bit and then bore out to repair this bucket. It likes to squawk at you a little bit and talk to you when it's cutting. Now when I get down to my finished cuts, then I'll take a light cut and speed everything and speed the drill up, and then we'll have a more like a finish cut in it. The gearbox actually has 2 speeds on it. It has one is called finish and the other one is called rough. In steel like this, I always just use the finish speed rate, and cast iron I'll put it up on the rough side, and you can watch cast fly like you know what. Anyway, thanks for watching.